Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can take a screenshot at the Samsung Galaxy A14. Yeah, for that we will need the buttons So we will need the power button and the volume down button. Press these both buttons just for short and you're having a screenshot. After you can edit the screenshot or you can share it directly with WhatsApp, Telegram and so on. So one more time, the power button and the volume down button just for short together and you're having a screenshot. If you tap now here on the editing symbol, you're able to draw something inside, or you can highlight something, or here at the corners, you can crop a part of the screenshot, what is very useful if you want to capture maybe a picture from a website or someone's WhatsApp status and so on. Pretty nice. After you can share this edited part, or with the arrow you can send it directly to your gallery. Yeah, apropos gallery, where are the screenshots? Of course at the gallery. And here the pictures, they're mixed up with your camera photos and so on. So this is why I recommend to you to go always to the albums, because the screenshots have their own folder only for your screenshots. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.